Welcome to BikeZone Pro, where we bring you the latest updates on cars and bikes. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Mahindra Bolero in black color, a rugged SUV with a refreshed look and powerful features. If you're a Bolero fan, stay tuned as we explore what makes this model special. Bold new look. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero in black exudes toughness and elegance. The glossy black finish enhances its aggressive stance, making it a head-turner on the road. Mahindra has introduced minor design tweaks, including a redesigned grille, stylish LED headlights, and blacked-out alloy wheels, adding to its premium appeal. Power and performance. Under the hood, the Bolero 2025 retains its trusted 1.5L M-Hawk diesel engine, delivering 75 HP and 210 Nm of torque. Known for its durability, this engine ensures reliable performance on highways and rough terrains alike. The 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive setup make it ideal for both city and off-road adventures. Interior and comfort. Step inside and you'll find a practical yet comfortable cabin. The all-black interior complements the exterior, with durable fabric seats and a modern digital instrument cluster. The 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system now supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring a connected driving experience. Safety and features. Mahindra has enhanced safety with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors. The SUV also comes with an updated suspension system, improving stability on bumpy roads. Whether you're driving in the city or on rugged terrains, the Bolero ensures a safe ride. Pricing and final thoughts. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero Black Edition is expected to be priced around 10 to 12 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. With its bold styling, proven reliability, and upgraded features, it remains a solid choice for those looking for a tough and affordable SUV. That's all for today's video. If you like this review, don't forget to subscribe to BikeZone Pro for more updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Bolero. See you in the next video.